The streets are glowing neath the pale moonlight. I look around, there's not a soul inside, and I am walking home. Once again I hear my mother's voice, and all us kids making a bunch of noise. If I'm not careful, I might start to cry. Just walking home tonight. I turn my head and hear the screen door slam, and there he is, that tall, dark-haired man. He looks my way, but all alone he stands, and I am walking home. He's my dad, you know, I was his girl. He taught me all he knew about this world, and then he traveled right on out of sight. And I'm just walking home tonight. I'm walking home. Streets are glowing in the pale moonlight. I look around, there's not a soul inside, and I am walking home tonight. Old worn out couches and a bunch of kids, a bedroom and all of Mom's plates were chipped. But I never knew about the things I missed. And I'm walking home. You see walking home tonight.